ONDC, Open Network for Digital Commerce, India's plan to take on e-commerce giants. The Government of India has been working on finding a solution to unfair trade practices like heavy discounts and corner marketing for an entire decade now. ONDC was incubated by the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade at the Quality Council of India with a 9-member advisory council. ONDC is short for Open Network for Digital Commerce. On December 31st, 2021, ONDC was incorporated as a private sector non-profit Section 8 company. It is a much-needed public digital infrastructure. ONDC is first of its kind initiative globally to change the way for e-commerce in India. This will all be possible with the help of protocols and rules for listing and cataloging, vendor match, and price discovery on an open source basis like UPI. ONDC has been created by using the method of unbundling. By unbundling, all the services like that of a seller, logistics, payment, and buyer-side activities are all broken down and unbundled and distributed to different entities. Benefits include: ONDC does not follow a platform-centric model. That means a customer can buy products of a certain manufacturer from any supplier regardless of the platforms they use. This approach gives a fair platform for sellers like Kirana stores that have products but don't have access to its customers. ONDC provides transparent rules, minimal investments, and low cost of business acquisition. Reduction in the time to scale, meaning reduced efforts in supply management and product management. Reduction in time to market makes product release easy and efficient. The system is curated in a way that it boosts and empowers small online businesses as well as new entrants, giving them discoverability and inclusivity. With the help of ONDC, small sellers will get access to many digital tools such as inventory management, demand and supply data, and customer feedback. So how does it all work? ONDC will be connected and applied to multiple platforms, enabling an open network. Transactions will take place irrespective of a specific e-commerce portal. Let us understand the working with the help of an example. 3 sellers A, B, and C selling product P are registered on 3 applications X, Y, and Z respectively. These sellers are connected and listed on ONDC. A customer looking for a product P only has the application Y on their phone. This application is covered under ONDC. While searching for the product P, the customer will see that the product P is available on the application Y, along with suggestions of P available on X and Z applications that are also registered under ONDC. The customer can access all sellers and get information regarding discounts, refund and policies, and merchant details from any registered source, all in real time. The customer can create a cross connection with any of the sellers despite registration on any application. ONDC is to be launched and expanded across India in 100 cities by October 2022. The process has already started and will become extensive by August 2022. Right now, it is in its pilot phase, that is its testing phase. It has been launched in 5 cities including Delhi, Bengaluru, Bhopal, Shillong and Coimbatore. During its test run, the platform expects to onboard 150 sellers only. In this phase, it covers industry like retail and restaurants for e-commerce. Other categories like travel and mobility will be added to the system later on. ONDC is a cost-free system and requires registration through links on portals separately from buyer and seller. Currently, a link for buyer is available under Paytm. For sellers, the link is available on GoFrugal under the seller portal. With the expansion and reach, more links will be launched for registration. All buyers and sellers require to operate the system with the help of a single process on an Android-based system. The ONDC platform lies in the middle of the interfaces hosting the buyers and the sellers. Making a software or a process open source means that the code or the steps of that process is made available freely for others to use, redistribute, and modify. So for example, Apple's iPhones have iOS, and that is a closed operating system which makes it illegal to modify or restructure. Whereas Google's Android operating system is open sourced, just like ONDC, and therefore it is possible by smartphone OEMs such as Samsung, Xiaomi, etc. to modify it for their hardware. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching and do check out our YouTube channel at SMB Solutions Kuwait.